Hi, in this video, we will talk about how to scroll within a drop-down using Selenium. Okay, you have a drop-down if you want to go to a particular value. If you want to scroll to a particular value within a drop-down, how you can go that. Okay, so for this, let me take one of the examples. You see that accounts.google.com. If you come here, you see here you want to select a country from this kind of drop down. You see n number of countries available here or language. Okay, I think this is language. Yeah, you need to select a language, not country. These are all languages. So I want to select Telugu. So this is called Telugu. So the moment when you select Telugu, that entire web page will change it to Telugu. Otherwise, if you take something else, English, so it will change into English. Okay, but I want to scroll all the way to this value. Okay, so how you can perform within this drop down, how to scroll to this particular language. Okay, so this is very similar to whatever we have seen in our one of our previous videos, that scroll to element. So this is very similar, but we will see how you can perform this. So, and for this, we don't need to depend upon how to scroll using JavaScript executor. We don't need JavaScript executor. So in Selenium 4.2, so if you go to WebDriver and go to the actions section, so let it load. Go to the actions API, go to the wheel. So these are wheel action, scroll wheel actions from Selenium version 4.2, Chromium only. It will work only with Chrome browser and Edge browser. So for that, using scrollToElement. From the actions class, you can use scrollToElement. No need to use JavaScript executor. And I have discussed in detail in our previous videos in scrollToElement, horizontal scroll, vertical scroll. Please watch those videos also for better understanding. So now we will see here how to scroll all the way to this language. Okay, this language. Okay, so let me go to IntelliJ. So I added Selenium Java version 4.4 and WebDriver Manager to launch the browser. So this option is available from 4.2. I'm using 4.4. So let me go here. WebDriver Manager dot Chrome driver dot setup. So WebDriver driver is equals to new Chrome driver, and then driver dot manage dot window dot maximize the browser, and then driver dot get. You need to go to this particular website. We don't need all these things. accounts.google.com is enough. Okay, once you go there, what you need to do, so wait for 3 seconds to see the execution properly. So add the exception, interrupted exception. So now, first I need to click on this particular drop down. So right click, inspect. So this is the one. You have one of the options I already captured. So let me take this, Control F, Control V. You see that area has pop-up is called Listbox. Let me put single quote. Inside that second span, in that span. So this is not our interest, how to write CSS selector, but find this element and click on that first, right? So driver dot find element by dot CSS selector. This is the selector dot click. Okay, so after clicking, I will wait some time. Let's take 3 more seconds. And then what is the element we are interested? So web element target element is equals to driver dot find element by dot CSS selector. So we need to find that CSS selector. So I already captured that. So let me use that. Go here. First, we need to click on this and then come here. You see that area label is called change language. Inside that, one of the li elements, that data value is equals to te. Okay. So I need to scroll to this element. Okay. So let me paste here. So this is the element I'm interested to. So that one. So I need to create an instance for actions class. So actions from org.openqa.selenium.interactions. Actions is equals to new actions of driver instance. We need to pass here, and then actions dot same thing, scroll to element. It will accept web element. What is that? Target element dot perform. That's it. Okay. Sorry. Let me. Okay. So first, I went there. I clicked on that language dropdown, and I found that element. I'm moving, scrolling to that particular element. Okay. So we'll execute and see whether it is working fine or not. And it will only work with Chrome browser and Edge browser. So both will work using Chromium engine. So because of that, it will work only with Chrome and Edge browser. It will not work with Firefox browser. So it came here. Wait for 3 seconds, 5 seconds. So it's not working. So let me check. So what happened? Some interrupted exception. Okay, let me rerun. For this website, sometimes it's not working properly when I face it when I'm trying this. I think we'll see this time it will work. Hopefully. So it's not working, it seems. Let me check. So when I use this extra spans, it's not working. So let me remove those. This much is enough. Area has pop-ups is called Listbox. This simple CSS selector is enough. So, and then we'll try to execute again and we'll see now. So it is navigated to that particular web page. Wait for, you see, click and wait and go to the Telugu. You see that? So the moment it sees in the visible area, it will stop scrolling that. You see, I'm seeing here, the moment it came, it stopped scrolling. Okay. So it came to the visible area. This is how scroll to element will work. Okay. If it is in a web page also, I discuss in this scroll to element. So scroll to element, there also, the moment when you see that in the viewport or visible area, then it will stop scrolling. Okay, that's how we need to perform the same thing inside this kind of drop down. Okay. So that's all in this video. Please like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.